Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about 14th group elements. 14th group elements. 14th group over lesson. So at now present 30% syllabus is removed in the first year. Okay, 30% syllabus. Only 14th group topics, just like carbon components, like a diamond, graphite, Buckminster Fullerene, and allotropy of carbon. Okay, so remove the carbon oxides. Remove the carbon oxides. So which topics? Preparation of carbon monoxide, preparation of carbon dioxide. Okay, water gas, producer gas. These are all topics deleted in first year. So last class silicon dioxide. Silicon dioxide is also deleted. Okay, next silicone silicates also deleted in the first year. Okay, so overall 14th group lesson is over. 14th group lesson is over. Only topics: carbon components, carbon allotropy, and diamond, graphite, and C60 Buckminster Fullerene differences graphite and diamond. Okay, so carbon properties, carbon physical properties and carbon chemical properties. Okay, these are all lesson. Now today topic S-block elements. S-block elements. Already we know that periodic table classified into 4 blocks. How many blocks? 4 blocks. So shortcutly we draw the periodic table. So it is a periodic table. Left side S block elements, right side P block elements. Between S and P block elements, D block elements, bottom of the periodic table, F block elements. So overall periodic table is classified into how many blocks? 4 blocks. S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, F block elements. Okay. So today class S block elements. Which lesson? S block elements. Suppose S block elements. S block elements is the left side of the periodic table of elements is also called S block elements. Okay, which side? Left side. Left side of the periodic table of elements is also called S block elements. So overall, suppose for example, we write the elements. Lithium. So atomic number hydrogen 1, helium 2. Hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, and beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So these are all elements. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 atomic numbers. Okay, fluorine 9 atomic number. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The difference between these two elements. Suppose for example we have taken these two elements. Beryllium, boron. Beryllium, boron. So atomic number 4, atomic number 5. How much difference between these two elements? 1 electron. Okay, between these two elements, how much electrons is differed by these two elements? Only 1 electron. That electron is called differentiating electron. Differentiating electron. Okay, do you understand? Differentiating electron. Suppose we have taken these two elements, helium, lithium. Helium atomic number 2, it's contain 2 electrons, and lithium atomic number 3, it's contain 3 elements. Between these two atoms, these two elements, how much electron difference? Only 1 electron. Okay, so between boron and oxygen, carbon 1 electron, between carbon and nitrogen 1 difference electron, and nitrogen oxygen 1 electron. That electron is called differentiating electron. Okay, that electron is called differentiating electron. So overall differentiating electron enters in ns orbital. Okay, differentiating electron enters in ns orbital. So that type of elements is also called S-black elements. Okay, so in S-black elements, differentiating electron is entered in which orbital? ns orbital. ns orbital. Okay, so overall these S-black elements contain 2 groups. S-black total periodic table, how many groups? 18 groups. Okay, in these 18 groups, S-black elements contain 2 groups. So first group and second group. Okay, first group and second group. This first group is first A group, second group is second A group. Okay, overall periodic table contain how many groups? 18 groups. So it is first group. Okay, S-black elements contain how many groups? 2 groups. These 2 groups belongs to S-black. So first group, second group. First group elements is first A group. Second group elements is second A group elements. Okay, so in this group, except hydrogen, remaining all elements is called alcoholic metals. Okay, so first group elements is also called alcoholic metals except hydrogen. So alcoholic metals means alcoholic nature, means basic nature. At the same time, these are all metals. Okay, these are all metals. Elements are all metals. Okay, so next second A group. Second A group elements is also called alcoholic earth metals. Okay, so these group elements, all elements contain basic nature. At the same time, that elements is metals. These are all elements is available in the earth crust. Okay, they are all elements is available in the earth crust. That's why these second A group elements or second group elements is also called alcoholic earth metals. Okay, so overall left side of the periodic table of elements is called S-black elements. Okay, left side of the periodic table of elements is called S-black elements. Differentiating electron enters in ns orbital of elements is also called S-black elements. Overall, S-black elements contain 2 groups. So that is first group and second group. First group elements is also called first A group, or first A group elements is also called alcoholic metals. Alcoholic metals means alcoholic nature, just like basic nature as well as metallic nature. Okay, metallic nature. And next further, second one, second A group. These second A group elements is also called alcoholic earth metals. Alcoholic earth metals. Okay. So the general electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration is NS1 electronic configuration. Okay, the general electronic configuration is NS1 electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of second A group is NS2 electronic configuration. Overall NS. So s orbital contain maximum electrons 2. Okay, how much maximum electrons? 2. So NS1, NS2. NS1 is the electronic configuration of the first A group. NS2 is the electronic configuration of the second A group. Now we are discuss about first A group elements. Okay. So first A group elements are it is also called alcoholic metals. Alcoholic metals. So which elements is first A group elements? Listen, overall hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay, so overall hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Okay, so these are all elements. Belongs to which group? First A group. Okay, first A group. Listen, already we know that hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. But Rb means rubidium. Cs means cesium. Fr means francium. Okay, so in this group we have discussed about except hydrogen, so remaining all elements. Except hydrogen, remaining elements is called alcoholic metals. Okay, alcoholic metals. Already we know that alcohol means just like basic nature. Okay, so they are all metal oxides. Metal oxides is reacts with water molecule. To form basic components. Okay, basic component. Sodium hydroxide. It is not acidic nature. It is basic nature. Okay, so overall it is alcoholic nature. Alcoholic nature or basic nature. That's why just like sodium contain which nature? Basic nature or alcoholic nature. Or suppose we have taken potassium. So potassium is to form K2O. K2O is potassium oxide, metal oxide. This metal oxide is reacts with water molecule. Metal oxides is reacts with water molecule to form 2KOH. 2KOH, potassium hydroxide. Okay, it is also basic compound. So that's why potassium contain alcoholic nature or metallic nature to form alcoholic components. Okay, so at the same time metallic nature. So which element is easily loss of electron? That element contains just like exhibit metallic nature. Suppose sodium is easily loss of electron, it is converted to Na plus ion or positive ion. Okay, so metals easily loss of electrons. Okay, metals easily loss of electrons. Suppose for example sodium is gives rise to Na plus electron. Okay, Na plus sodium ion, sodium cation, cation means positive ion. Okay, cation means positive ion. So how much are plus 1? So uni positive ion, uni means 1. Okay, suppose Na plus means uni positive ion, Na plus, or suppose Na plus 2, Na plus 2 means di positive ion, di 2 positive. Okay, or Na plus 3, suppose tri positive ion. Okay, tri positive ion. So overall in this group these except hydrogen remaining all elements alcoholic metals. Okay, overall so lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. In this group very highly available element is sodium. Okay, very highly abundant element. Which element? Sodium element, or very highly available element. It is available with number of components. Suppose for example sodium is mainly available there NaCl, sodium chloride. Okay, sodium chloride. So overall sodium chloride solution is called brine solution. Okay, suppose sodium chloride is salt, when we have addition of water molecule it is converted to solution. Okay, that sodium chloride solution is called brine solution. Okay, next NaF, sodium fluoride. NaF means sodium fluoride, and NaBr, sodium bromide. NaI, sodium iodide. Okay, sodium chloride, sodium fluoride, sodium bromide, sodium iodide. Next sodium element is available from number of components like a sodium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is also called caustic soda. Okay, sodium hydroxide is also called caustic soda. And next further Na2CO3 means sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is also called washing soda. Okay, washing soda, just like it is used for just like washing purpose. Okay, washing soda. Next NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate means baking soda. Okay, sodium bicarbonate means baking soda. Okay, next Na3AlF6 cryolite. Okay, what is the formula of Na3AlF6? Cryolite. Okay, so it is so already we know that caustic soda, washing soda and baking soda. baking soda NaHCO3, washing soda Na2CO3, and caustic soda NaOH. Next, cryolite Na3Al(F6). Na3Al(F6) is cryolite. So, number of components, sodium components. Okay, so these are all compounds contain which element? Sodium element. Okay, next further in this group, suppose for example potassium. Potassium is available from number of components like a KClO3. KClO3, potassium chlorate. KClO3 means potassium chlorate, or KCl, potassium chloride. KCl, potassium chloride. Okay, or suppose KCl MgCl2 6H2O. KCl MgCl2 6H2O. It is a carbonylate. Okay, carbonylate. Cryolite. What is the formula of cryolite? Na3Al(F6) is the cryolite, and KCl MgCl2 6H2O is the carbonylite. Okay, so suppose for example KNO3 and KNO2. KNO3 and KNO2. Potassium nitrate, NO3 nitrate. So NO2 nitrite. Okay, potassium nitrate and potassium nitrite. Okay, suppose for example at the same time sodium is also NaNO2 and NaNO3. NaNO2 and NaNO3. Sodium nitrite. Okay, sodium nitrate. NO3 nitrate. NO2 nitrite. Okay, so overall potassium is available. There are nitrate and nitrite also. Okay, next further rubidium. So rubidium is available from their halides or oxides. Okay, rubidium chloride or rubidium fluoride. RBF. Okay, rubidium fluoride. Okay, next cesium. Cesium is mainly available there halides. Okay, halides. What is the meaning of halide? When these element is reacts with the halogens. Halogens means which elements? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. That four elements halogens. Okay, that halogens reacts with these elements to form their halides. Suppose CSCl, cesium chloride, or CSF, cesium fluoride, or cesium bromide, or cesium iodide. Okay, overall halides. Next further lithium. So lithium is available there mainly halides and oxides also. Suppose LiCl, lithium chloride, and LiF, lithium fluoride, lithium fluoride or lithium bromide or lithium iodide. So these are all components, lithium component. Suppose another compound Li2O, lithium monoxide, Li2O, lithium monoxide. So that is the lithium compounds. And next, last one, francium. Francium is very rarely available element. It is a radioactivity element. Okay, it is a radioactivity element, very rarely available element. Which element? Francium. Okay, so overall in this group, very highly available element, sodium. So in this topic, very important, sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, sodium carbonate, washing soda, sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, Na3Al(F6), cryolite. Okay, next, potassium, KClO3, potassium chlorate, KCl, MgCl2, 6H2O is carnallite. Okay, this is very very important. Okay, okay, so already we know that these group elements contain NS1 electronic configuration. Okay, NS1 electronic configuration. So this class, next, electronic configuration of first year group elements we are discussed about next class. Okay, so it is a S-block element, just like introduction. Okay, next class we are discussed about electronic configuration of first year group elements. Okay, done.